number 3, applying division with fractions. So Mustafa used 3/4 of a jar of sauce on 6 servings of pasta. He used the same amount of sauce on each of the 6 servings. So the question is, what fraction of the jar of sauce did he use on each serving? So we're taking 3/4 of the jar and dividing it into 6 pieces, or 6 portions. So step 1, label the number line to show quarters. So we start with 0 and 1. 4 is our denominator, so we're going to mark quarters. So we've got 4 spaces. 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. To show the division by 6, we're going to break each of these spaces into 6 pieces, which is what's shown here. So then in the whole, instead of being 4 pieces, we actually have 24, because each one was turned into 6. So there's 24 parts to the whole. So each one of these tiny spaces is worth 1/24. Now if we turn the page, 3/4 is the number we're working with. If we count all the tiny little spaces in here, we're going to have 18 of them between 0 and 3/4. We need to divide that 18 into 6 equal parts. We know that 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. So, part 1 is the first 3. The second 3 make up 2. Another 3, another 3, another 3, and another 3. We have 6 equal portions now that are all of size 3/24. So 3/4 divided into 6 pieces, which is what we're showing here. This is 3/4 divided evenly into 6 pieces, is equal to 3/24. Now that's not lowest terms. Hopefully you recognize that 3 is a factor of both 3 and 24. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 24 divided by 8 gives you, or 24 divided by 3 gives you 8. So Mustafa used 1/8 of a jar of sauce on each of the 6 servings, and together that added up to 3/4 of the jar. So that is your solution. Next up, final show you know for the chapter section. Please give it a go.